Good morning, students. Our next topic is a Zener diode. Zener diode. Z-E-N-E-R. Zener diode. Our next topic is a Zener diode. Spelling spelling Z-E-N-E-R. Zener. Already we discussed about the PN junction diode. That is called ordinary diode. This is another diode which is said to be a Zener diode. What is a Zener diode? Zener diode is a heavily or properly doped PN junction diode which has sharp breakdown voltage when it is operated in reverse bias condition. When it is operated in reverse bias condition. Now listen carefully definition. What is a Zener diode? A heavily doped or properly doped, whatever it is. A heavily or properly doped PN junction diode which has a sharp breakdown voltage when it is operated in reverse bias condition is called Zener diode. A heavily doped, a heavily doped or properly doped, whatever it is. A heavily doped PN junction diode, heavily doped PN junction diode which has sharp breakdown voltage when it is operated in reverse bias condition. Is called a Zener diode. Zener diode is always connected in reverse bias. It is also works in forward bias also, but in forward bias working we are using PN junction diode. For reverse bias working we are using Zener diode. Zener diode always connected in circuits reverse bias. That's a very important point. Zener diode always connected in a circuits in reverse bias condition. For this reverse bias condition we are using this Zener diode. The symbol for Zener diode, the circuit symbol, the symbol for Zener diode is, we know, let it be a arrowhead and this line represents the N-type. This is a PN junction diode, we know this. But here the Zener diode means Z means Z, Zener diode, like this. The symbol is like this, Z. Ordinary diode we are having only this line. But in the case of Zener diode, just we keep like this Z. It is appears to be a Z. So this is a symbol for a Zener diode. It is always connected in reverse bias. Reverse bias condition. This Zener diode used as voltage regulator. What is meant by voltage regulator? Voltage regulator means nothing but stabilizer. Voltage stabilizer. In our household purpose we are using the stabilizers to control the voltage. For ACs and fridges and for TVs we are using the voltage controller. There is a Zener diode is there. This is used as a voltage regulator, means stabilizer. Voltage regulator means it regulates the voltage, means it controls the voltage. This is called a voltage regulator. Once again look at here. What is a Zener diode? A heavily doped PN junction diode which has a sharp breakdown voltage. What is meant by sharp breakdown voltage? Let us see. A sharp breakdown voltage when it is operated in reverse bias condition. This is the definition for the Zener diode and this is the symbol for the Zener diode. Zener diode is always connected in reverse bias condition. Next, it can be used as a voltage regulator. The Zener diode can be used as a voltage regulator. What is now? Let us see. What is a sharp breakdown voltage or Zener voltage? Let us see. sharp breakdown voltage, sharp breakdown voltage, sharp breakdown voltage or Zener voltage, which is represented by the letter Vz. V stands for voltage and Z stands for Zener. Vz, Zener voltage. Vz means it's the Zener voltage. What is the sharp breakdown of the Zener voltage? Suppose if you take a VI characteristics, VI means voltage and current. Voltage and current, VI. Let it be V in x-axis. This is a current on y-axis. VI characteristics. Let it be a I. This is a minus V. Okay. So this is a forward bias region and this is a reverse bias region. Look at here. With the increase of voltage, current also increases. With the increase of voltage, current also increases in forward bias like this. But in the case of reverse bias, what happens? If you increase the voltage, no changes, no changes, no changes, no changes. At a particular voltage, the current increases rapidly. That voltage is said to be a Zener voltage. That voltage is said to be Zener voltage. It is occurs in reverse bias condition. It should be shown in reverse bias condition. In forward bias condition, with the increase of voltage, the current also increases. The graph is like this. But in the case of reverse bias, what happens? With the increase of current, with the increase of voltage, current doesn't increase. At a particular voltage, the current increases rapidly. That voltage is said to be Zener voltage. That voltage is said to be Zener voltage. Zener voltage. Got it? Look at here. In a forward bias region, with the increase of voltage, the current also increases. But it is not happening here in the case of reverse bias condition. What happens here? With the increase of voltage, the current 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, it is increases rapidly at a particular voltage. That voltage is said to be a Zener voltage. How can we define a Zener voltage or sharp breakdown voltage? At a particular voltage in reverse bias condition, the current increases rapidly. That voltage is said to be Zener voltage. That voltage is said to be Zener voltage. At a particular voltage in reverse bias condition, it occurs only in reverse bias condition, so we can define like this. At a particular voltage in reverse bias condition, the current increases rapidly, then that voltage is said to be Zener voltage. So which is important definition for IP, which carries 2 marks. So what is a Zener voltage? Once again look at here. What is a Zener voltage? We plotted a graph between the voltage and current. Means VI characteristics, we can set it as the name. VI characteristics. With the increase of voltage, the current also increases. The graph as shown in the figure like this. But in the case of reverse bias condition, it is not happening like that. What happened here? With the increase of voltage, the current becomes 0, 0, 0. At a particular voltage, the current increases rapidly. That voltage is said to be Zener voltage. That voltage is said to be Zener voltage. That voltage is said to be Zener voltage. Listen the definition once again. At a particular voltage and reverse bias condition, the current increases rapidly. That voltage is said to be Zener voltage. That voltage is said to be Zener voltage. Got it? Right. Next. This Zener diode is generally used as a voltage regulator. Now let us see the 4 marks question, which carries a 4 marks. Zener diode as voltage regulator. 4 marks question. Zener diode as voltage regulator. Zener diode as voltage regulator. How this Zener diode can be used as a voltage regulator? How it regulates the voltage? Now let us see. So suppose if you take Zener diode like this, this is a Zener diode. This Zener diode is connected to a series resistance. R. This Zener diode is always connected in a reverse bias. So this is N type and this is positive P type. For N type, which is all connected to positive, then it becomes positive, negative, like this. This is the negative. The N type is connected to the positive terminal of a battery and P type is connected to the negative terminal of a battery. Then the diode is said to be in reverse bias condition. Diode is said to be in a reverse bias condition. So, I keeping an arrow mark like this. What is mean by it means the voltage in input voltage, let it be V in. Input voltage fluctuates until there occurs a changes between 0 volts to 100 volts. What the arrow mark here represents? It represents the fluctuations in the voltage. It is not provides the constant of voltage. It provides a fluctuated input voltage. Fluctuated input voltage means once we get 0 voltage or 10 volts or 100 volts, whatever it is, the voltage fluctuates between 0 volts to 100 volts. So this is variable source. This type of input voltage we are connecting to the Zener diode. How it gives the constant output voltage? Then it is said to be a voltage regulator. Right. And we can get the constant output voltage through a load resistor RL. Here we get the constant output voltage, let it be Vout, means output voltage. Vout means is a output voltage. Here the current passes like this, the current I. When it passes through the Zener diode, it is called IZ, the Zener current. When it passes to the load, it is said to be load current. Where I total current. Where IZ, Zener current, means the current passing to the Zener diode. That is called Zener current. And next IL, current passing to the load resistance, is called load current. It's called a load current. It's always total current I equal to total current. Not total current always I equal to, which is equals to IZ plus IL. The total current is always equals to IZ plus IL. Here what happens now? Let us see what's happening there. Suppose if you draw a table, suppose we are giving the input voltage, and this is a Zener voltage, and this is Vout, output voltage. Suppose we are taking the Zener diode voltage as a 50 volts. It is always a 50 volts. For any value, it is always 50 volts. It doesn't change. But we will take an input voltage as once 20 volts. Suppose for the 20 volts, the Zener diode voltage is a 50 volts, but we can get the 50 volts output. Suppose if we give a 100 volts, but the Zener diode voltage is 50 volts, we get only 50 volts. If it is a 70 volts, we get a 50 volts. If it is a 30 volts, we get 50 volts. If it is a 90 volts, we get a 50 volts. Whatever be the voltage here, the voltage fluctuates. It is not constant. Once changes 20 volts, 100 volts, 70 volts, 30 volts, 90 volts. The voltage here the fluctuates, but we can have a constant output voltage. It provides a constant output voltage. This is the reason why it is a Zener diode called as a voltage regulator. What happening here? Look at this. The value of R, here the value of R can be selected in such a way that the value of R, here the series resistance, no? The value of R can be selected in such a way that the absence of load resistance, the maximum safe current passing through the diode. Once again, a very important point here. Look at the board. The value of R, here the series resistance, the value of the series resistance, the value of R can be selected in such a way that the absence of load resistance, the maximum safe current passing through the diode. If the value of R is not suitable here, we will have a damage. We will have damage in Zener diode. It doesn't work. So here the series resistance plays an important role to protect from high voltages. If high voltage occurs, what happens? The Zener diode will be damaged. So that the value of R can be selected in such a way that the absence of load resistance, the maximum safe current passing to the diode. Suppose, let here input voltage and this is the output voltage, and here it is a Zener voltage, let it be Vz. Here always from table we are observed that Vz is equals to Vout. Always Vz is equals to Vout. But input voltage Vin, input voltage is equals to, here it is a voltage, V is equals to IR plus we have Vz. We have Vz or Vout, whatever it is, Vz. We can write it as a Vz. But Vz is equals to Vout. Vin is equals to IR plus, we can write instead of Vz, I can write Vout. Vout. What is the output voltage? Vout is equals to Vin minus IR. 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 Look at the board once again. Look at here. The output voltage Vz is equals to Vout. Input voltage is equals to, here some voltage drop is there, and here we have the output voltage. So total Vin is equals to IR plus Vz. Vin equal to IR plus, instead of Vz we can write Vout. So Vout is equals to, I can write Vin minus IR. This is about the Zener diode. How the Zener diode used as a voltage regulator. So these are the formulas. Once again look at the topic here, I can explain. Zener diode is a heavily doped PN junction diode which has a sharp breakdown voltage when it is operated in reverse bias condition. Generally, the Zener diode is always connected in reverse bias condition. In forward bias condition, there is PN junction diode is there to use, but for the reverse bias operations we are using this Zener diode. But the Zener diode can also used in forward bias also, but we are used only in reverse bias conditions only. This Zener diode can be used as a voltage regulator. This can be used as a voltage regulator. What is a Zener voltage? At a particular voltage in reverse bias, the current increases rapidly. That voltage is said to be Zener voltage. It can occur in reverse bias condition only. That is called Zener voltage or breakdown voltage. So here it is. We saw the circuit diagram. Here it is. The total it is an input voltage. This is a series resistance and Zener voltage, and output taken across the load resistance. Output can be taken across the load resistance totally. So we get, what is the purpose of this Zener diode? Zener diode, suppose if you provide a fluctuating input, fluctuating voltage, but we can have constant output voltage. We can have constant output voltage. Constant output voltage. That is the reason. This is. Thank you. That's enough for today. Tomorrow we'll discuss about another topic.